Hello everyone. In the previous video, we explained how to select products on the Find Products page and sync them to your store with one click. In this video, we will delve deeper into two crucial follow-up operations: how to perform personalized management of already linked products and how to handle customer orders. Mastering these will enable your dropshipping business to run smoothly. The import list is the core area for managing your selected products and preparing them for publication. On the Find Products page, after selecting a product, click Already on Import List to add it to your import list. This area acts as your product collection. Here, you can finalize product selection, perform further linking settings, or delete unwanted products. Use the checkbox in the upper left corner of the card for efficient batch operations. When you decide to publish a product, click the Sync button on its card. After syncing, the product will appear on the published page, indicating it has been successfully listed for sale on your storefront. On the product card, you can intuitively view key information: sale price, SPU, shipping cost, and linked stores. Click the small icon next to the shipping cost to launch the freight calculator. Simply select your target customer's country, and the system will automatically calculate the corresponding shipping cost, helping you set precise prices. You can click Sync multiple times for the same product to link it to several different stores. In progress indicates the product is in the process of being published. Please wait patiently for the system to process. Failed indicates the product linking failed. If this occurs, we recommend you contact customer service to troubleshoot the issue and retry the linking. Store Products is used to centrally manage all linked products across your stores. For example, select your Shopify store and click Search to list all products in that store. Here, you can filter by link status. Unlinked refers to products in your store that are not linked to the NHDropshipping system. Partially linked indicates the product has multiple SKU variants and you have only linked some of them. Fully linked indicates the product's SPU is fully linked. Hover your mouse over any product card to reveal 5 quick action buttons. Link product. Check the detailed link status of this product. Important: if you want us to handle all your store's customer orders uniformly, you must use this function or contact customer service to link any unlinked products to our system. Sourcing: initiate product procurement with a picture, and we'll help you source products you want but can't find on the platform. Freight calculation: enter the country and product. Wait to precisely query shipping costs and estimated delivery time. To shop directly, jump to the product page in your Shopify store, making it easy to check how it appears to customers. Purchase inventory: purchase for your own inventory to enable fast shipping, saving 2 to 3 days on delivery time suit for sellers with high order volumes. When customer places orders in your store, all orders are here for processing. The top of the page allows you to select the order source platform, for example, Shopify, AliExpress, WooCommerce, and supports batch order import via spreadsheet. Use the filter function to precisely screen orders by criteria like date range, store name, or country. Enter an order number directly into the search bar to quickly locate a specific order. Use the tag function to add custom tags to orders for personalized categorization. Awaiting payment applicable to orders where all products are linked. Simply click Pay Now and complete the payment, and we will immediately arrange sourcing and shipping for you. To pick, this indicates the order contains both linked and unlinked products. Unlinked items will be clearly marked with a red highlight box on the page. You have 2 options. Option 1. Contact us to complete the linking for the unlinked products, then pay for and ship all orders. Option 2. Directly click Pick Out to remove unlinked products. Then click Pay Now to pay and ship for the linked products. Cancelled. Orders cancelled by the customer. Invalid order: orders where all products are unlinked. The system can't processing shipping. You can click Check in Store to jump to your Shopify admin to view order details. In each order card, you can clearly see order info, product image, customer info. Click the icon can edit shipping time, product quantity, and total order cost. Using custom packaging: if you have purchased custom packaging, clicking Pay Now will display of your packaging inventory. Select the packaging type and quantity you wish to use, then complete the payment. We will place your products into your specified packaging to shipping. Order notes and details: click the small icon above Pay Now to add internal notes for the order. Click Order Detail to view more comprehensive product, order, and shipping information. Order status: explanation, processing. The order is paid, and we are sourcing and packing it for you. In this status, you can select the order and click Export Invoice to download the order invoice. Shipped: the order has been dispatched and is in the logistics transportation phase. Click the tracking number to monitor the package's journey in real time. Completed: the order has been successfully delivered or confirmed complete. Key principle reiterated: We are only responsible for processing orders for products linked to our platform system. Ensuring products are fully linked is a prerequisite for automated order processing. This video detailed the entire process of personalized product setup and order handling after listing. In the next episode, we will focus on advanced features like product sourcing, package customization, and inventory management to help you further enhance your operational efficiency. If you found this content helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss more practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.